Welcome to our Dosa Factory. Join us as we craft fresh, crispy dosas from premium rice and lentils. The contaminant levels are within the threshold.
Yeah. Are you sure about the moisture data here?
Yes, it checks out. We can approve this batch for production.
All parameters for the rice and lentils meet our quality standards.
Agreed. Let's certify this batch for the dosa production line.
Viscosity is perfect, right at the target range.
Moisture content looks good too. I'll log it now.
Let's fine-tune the grinding parameters here. Watch the consistency graph.
Adjusting the flow, it's stable now, right in the optimal range.
See the spike in diacetyl here? We should increase the temperature by 0.5 degree.
Okay, applying the change now. That should clean up the flavor profile nicely.
The viscosity is stable at 200 CPs.
Good. Let's proceed with the microbial plating for the tank sample.
We've got a cool spot on the far right, zone 3.
Okay, increasing power now. How's the gradient look?
That's much better. Holding steady.
The flow rate needs adjustment, slightly high on the B valve.
Bringing it down now. Temperature stable at 40 degrees.
Are these ready for cooling?
Yes, they meet the uniformity standards. Go ahead.
The temperature on line 4 is spiking.
Adjusting the coolant flow now, we should see stabilization within the minute.
Looks good. The parameters are returning to optimal levels.
This one is slightly off center.
Yes, the edges are uneven. We should pull it.
Check the consistency on this one.
Looks good. Uniformity is within tolerance.
This batch looks good. Double check the labeling.
Labels are accurate according to the manifest.
All right, all the Dosa pallets are loaded. Please sign here for the Houston shipment.
Looks good. We'll be on our way. We need these 20 cases inside now.
The customers have been asking for these.
Thank you for watching. We are proud to bring you fresh, delicious dosas made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.